Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
What is date today? Date 17th. Huh? Up to where again? 145. Huh?
Yes, sir. Till 145.
Okay, thank you. 46,
Present, sir.
47, 48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
40, 50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53, 147, okay. 53, 54, 55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59, 60,
Present, sir.
61, 62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65,
Present, sir.
66, 67,
Present, sir.
68,
Sir. 159 present, sir.
what are you doing here? 68, 69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Yes, sir.
73, 73, 74,
74. Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
okay, 78,
Present, sir.
79, 80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir.
83, 84,
Present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92, 92, 93,
Present, sir.
94, 95,
Present, sir.
96, 97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
200,
Present, sir.
1, 201,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
where?
Present, sir.
Incheon Police Railway. 206, 6, 7,
Present, sir.
206 present.
8,
Sir, 206.
Yes, sir.
what are you doing here? Okay, okay, noted. 6 taken. Note, note. 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
I think you are the last. See, absents are 53, 61, 66, 68, 73, that is 173, 179, 183, 192, 194, 196. After class, you can tell if anyone comes. Okay, I will go there. All of you ping my board. Now board okay. Okay, now today board okay. Okay, sir. Yes. See, last class what we discussed actually, they will give quadratic form. How you will find out quadratic form? You know, if they give the matrix means what you can able to find quadratic form. If they give the quadratic form, you can transform to the matrix form. Correct or not? Now, thing is what they are asking orthogonal transformation. Orthogonal transform already you done using orthogonal transform diagonalization. You know, symmetric transformation we are not finding. Only we are following orthogonal transformation or syllabus. Orthogonal transformation is what only symmetric matrix only is available for orthogonal transformation. Symmetric matrix is what? So what is the meaning is what orthogonal matrix A into A is equal to I. Not only that, if you find two eigenvectors, that pairwise orthogonal. Pairwise orthogonal means what? Xt, suppose one eigenvalue x1, another eigenvalue x2, x3. Suppose if you find out xt, x2 is equal to 0. Similarly, x2, x3 also 0. Or x3, x1. Any pair if you take, you have to get 0 if you multiply. Linearly independent. So you have to get 0. So that should be always you can maintain. Sometimes if you don't get means what you try to do. Last problem already one problem I explained. Anyone tried that at home? 2, 3, 6. Then you form may bring to what canonical form. Correct or not? Say yes or no. Say speak out, yeah. Correct or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Completed or not that? Right, anyone? I think some 2, 3, 6 I explained, you know. Okay, now we will another problem. Then you may get the problem with eigenvectors. There I will explain how to do. Remaining story, same story. Maximum we complete another 2, 3 classes. First unit will be wash out. Enter to the second unit. First unit all videos also I am recording. Don't worry. Class videos also I am uploading this in my channel. Separate playlist is there. SRM ISTG. Your class name mentioned and there. There you can see if you want daily uploading. And not only that, another playlist is there. Matrices for BE, BTech, BSc. There if you go the whole syllabus will be covered. There also you can check. Slowly we are doing. I am not uploaded, but I am not released. All videos are there. Slowly we will don't worry. This you can have no class. So last class. Last class one problem we completed. I hope actually 3x1 square, 5x2 square, 3x3 square minus 2x2 x3, 2x3x1 minus 2x1 x1. Again you can try. If you don't get anything, I will help you. Then I will go to the next problem. Take down, reduce the quadratic form. Reduce the quadratic form.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
What?
Your voice is not clear.
See, take that problem. Reduce the quadratic form. Just I will note down again. I will read you. reduce the quadratic form 2x1 x2 plus 2x1 x3 minus 2x2 x3 to the canonical form. To the canonical form by an orthogonal transformation. Using the orthogonal transformation. Board okay, sir, now? Can I put other lights also?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Just we see if we put that board, if it is glare, means we can off actually. Not required, this light. That is enough, previous all enough,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Previous one light is enough. This I will off then
Yes, sir.
actually. Now, okay, I hope. Now, see, matrix is given. This is in the shape is what? Xt dash Ax. Given shape is what? From this, I want to find A is equal to what? Find out A, but any square terms are there here?
No, sir.
So diagonal, who will sit actually in diagonal?
0.
0. Just you can find what you will write actually anyway. This is 3 by 3 because 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 means 3 by 3 you will get. So what you will do? A110, A220, A330 you can mention because x1 square, x2 square, x3 square not there in my hand. So immediately what you will do? A11 is equal to 0, A22 is equal to 0, A33 is equal to 0, right? From this equation, from this form, what you are understanding? A11, A22, A33 is in one stroke anything. If you want, you can let A11 is equal to 0, A22 is equal to 0, A33, that is your wish. Next terms are what? Remaining 6 I want to find out, then what you will get? Tell me. All are sleeping, I think, so first class. Remaining elements are what, yaar? Don't want to tell, huh? Any one of you tell me. Huh? Who is one? Elements you can tell, element position you have to tell. I am telling A11, A22, A33, I am telling you, no. Similarly, what you want to tell from this 1 to
A12.
is equal to
1.
The 1, 2, and
1.
2, 1 is minus 1.
1
1.
divided by 2. So this fellow is equal to what? A12 is
1.
equal to A21, correct? First row, second column, second
Second
row
row, first column.
is equal to what? Divided by 2. 1. Then remaining fellow from this what I will get?
1, 3, and 3, 1 also 1.
Is equal to who will come?
1.
Always divided by 2. If it is not exact divided means what you can get, suppose for 3 means what? You can get 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Don't worry, always don't expect I will get single integer like this. Simple integer. Now this fellow
A23 and A32 minus 1.
A
23 and A32 equals to minus 1.
So everything in our hand, write A, tell me. A is equal to what? Tell me.
Zero, 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1.
0, 1, 1, plus 1, 1. Correct? 1, 0.
Minus 1.
So it is also minus 1. This fellow 0.
0.
Check. Once I want to check because if wrong problem means what whole thing will collapse. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, right. Now then what you will do? Everything in our hand available. So you got from quadratic to matrix you got. This is given shape. From this I am writing this fellow. Then immediately I want to find eigenvectors. Eigenvalues are not. To find eigenvalues, what I will do?
Characteristic equation.
Characteristic equation.
A minus lambda I.
Characteristic equation, how you will write?
A minus
lambda I.
Determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0.
Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Should do. You can help me. You are teacher, I am student. Slowly I will do. If I make mistake, you can tell me. Hey, don't do mistakes. Now I got 69 students and teachers with me. I am very lucky student. You do yourself. Don't wait for me. So I am telling I am lazy fellow. I am writing CH equation. You don't write. You people are young people. You can write characteristic equation is. Zero minus lambda 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus 1 minus lambda. This is equal to 0. This story you know. How you these all are we're escaping actually. Today we can skip. Already you know old story. Just we go very fastly. This how can I get actually? After finding lambda 1, lambda S1, S2, S3, S1, you know who is S1?
Sum of
Who is
diagonal.
Sum of the diagonal element.
Trace actually, correct? S2,
Cofactor of the diagonal elements.
Co-factors.
so C11 plus C2 to sum of the cofactors of the diagonal elements, correct or not? Then
So, determinant S3 equals to determinant.
S3
Determinant.
Determinant, sir.
determinant, correct or not? Now, right after completing, oh, what happened? After doing everything taken for granted, this time going, wait, yes. You try, don't leave, just I'm writing, if you want, after here, if you come, you can tell me, lambda minus 1 square. After if you come tell what is S1, you tell me, what is S2, you tell me, what is S3, you can tell me.
S1 0.
Very good. S2,
Minus 1.
Minus 3, sir.
I don't know, you tell I will copy. S3 is
Minus
what?
3, minus 3, sir.
Minus
S2
3.
Confirm.
S2 is minus 3, sir. Confirm, sir.
Corona. S3
Minus 2.
minus
2.
after that you got, you can see if lambda is equal to 1, you can substitute it. Then using synthetic division, you can go for the reduce to the quadratic equation you are getting or not check. Now only can do because lot of time is there. Why you want to give in homework, right? Once if you come here, I tell me remaining problem I will do.
So can you check the S3 ones?
What?
S3.
S3 whatever we have to get 1 1 to check. 1 1 minus 2, I think so.
S3 minus 3.
1 1 minus 2. Try to get this stop, otherwise you can take that equation later you can try. Lambda minus 1 whole square, lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 1 1 minus 2. Determinant you can check means what? 0 base check. 1 into leave this risk column. This is 0. This is 1 actually.
Sir, the solution.
1, leave this. Wait. 0 base check. Minus 1 means what? Leave this. Then what you will get actually? Plus 1, okay. 1 means what? Leave this. Minus 1. I think S3 1, I think so. Correct? Huh?
S3 0.
Yes. So 0.
0.
1 minus 1 0.
Wait. First term, okay, sorry. First term 0, next
0 plus 1
this is what? 1 minus into minus
Minus
is
1.
1, that is minus 1.
minus
Correct.
0.
Next 3 is what? No, sir.
No, sir. See the minus 1, and then there is a 1 inside that is multiplied.
So what is
So
value?
that will be minus 1, and then then there is this then there is this 1.
What is value? Tell me S3.
Sir,
Yes.
S3 is 0.
Then minus 2, sir. It should
Minus
be
two
sir.
minus
Sir,
2,
minus
sir.
2 only.
Minus
sir.
2 only.
One thing you can remember, if S3 0 means what? Origin is one root will come. Any equation passes through origin means what? 0 is the one root or not?
Sir,
There
it's
is
minus
one.
2, sir.
Okay, then you can leave it right. So roots are what? 1, 1, minus 2. Correct?
Yes, sir. 1, 1, minus 2.
That is okay or not? You are agree with me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Those who are not agree with me, after class you can fight with that problem. Okay, guarantee how to get this.
so what?
See, if you don't get
Okay,
this,
okay.
minus two,
1 by minus 2, sir. Right?
you can fight with this problem. Try to get these values. These are the correct because
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah, I got these values, sir.
Yes, thank you. Now, what is okay or viewable, sir, today? Are you able to see my
Yes,
board?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's actually network problem, I think so, because they are telling 50 Mbps speed hardware, because why I don't know, that's happened last class, very bad. Totally we spoiled. But you don't worry, Desti can bear these classes, same classes I will, with my DSLR camera and recording, I will send you separately. To find eigenvectors, what you will do? This is matrices. Then first you can prepare this equation. What I told you here, a minus lambda means what this is? Minus lambda 1, 1, 1 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus lambda. Now frame the equation. What equation will get, tell me? First, go to this, you can take A. No. In this equation, put lambda is equal to 1 means what? One equation I will get or not? Lambda is equal to 1 because two roots are there. I want to find two eigenvectors that both fellows are such a way they should be what? Orthogonal. Such a way you have to select. As you like, don't select. Correct or not? Now form. So when lambda is equal to 1, I told you there is only one fellow is standing in three positions. So we have to find out. You solve this actually. One thing you can do, x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 1 you can do. Second again you can find out, you can tell me, wait, I want to start another webinar is there, triple E. That meeting I will start and I will come. Zoom ID with me. Just you can solve this. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
I will come actually. Vectors you can tell. Just a meeting I will start and I will come there. சார் நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன் சார், கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலி. உங்களுக்கு நான் மீட்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணட்டுமா? இல்ல நீங்க லாகின் ஆகுங்க ஆக்சுவலி. அந்த ஐடி யூஸ் பாஸ்வேர்டு வச்சுட்டு உள்ள வந்துருங்க. இல்ல கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன், நான் திருப்பி நடுவில் வர முடியாது, செக்கிங் வந்துட்டேன். லேப்டாப் பண்ணுங்க சார், மொபைல்ல பண்ண முடியாது சார், அது நிறைய பேர் வராங்க இல்லையா. லேப்டாப்ல பண்ணுங்க சார், அதான் சொல்றேன். நான் ஆல்ரெடி லாகின் ஆயிட்டேன், ஜஸ்ட் நீ வந்தோடனே நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி ஐ மேட் யூ ஹோஸ்ட் ஆகலாம், முடிஞ்சு போச்சு சார். நான் இப்போ கிளாஸ் முடிவு 2 minutes அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுங்க, ஜஸ்ட் லிங்க் பண்ணுங்க வரேன். Sir, this from this what I will get actually, if I write actually x1 is equal to x2 plus x3, I told you if it is repeated means put x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 1. So what I will get actually 1 0 1. Suppose in reverse case if I put, you can try whether it is orthogonal or not. It's very very dangerous problem. I am preparing actually x2 is equal to 0 1 1 0 0 I got. Suppose another case is what if you do 0 1 means what will happen, tell me. Last class I said you know you can do 0 1 1 0. They're obviously satisfied. I didn't go very deeply actually. There also you have to check. I don't want to confuse you first initial stage. Right? Now you can see. Now we can give x3 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1. Then if both you can multiply and see what will happen, you can tell me. Sir, are you there? Say yes at least. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
I'm very
Yes,
happy. Let us
Yes,
start. No need to do the math. Just chit chat with me. Sir, how are you? What are you doing like this? Always maths not required. Just you can talk something. Then I can hear your voice. Now what you got, tell me. First case, one case I taken 0 1 means what, this fellow become 1. Suppose if I take this is 0 1. Next, if I keeping this, what will happen? If I both multiply, what I will get? Multiply means first term with first term, second term with second term, third term we can multiply. If you get 0 means what, they are orthogonal. They can say linearly independent. But what you will get if we take second case? That is very 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 dangerous problem. This. What I sir, what I am telling you are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, what you got, tell me. Suppose the last class what I said actually, one fellow you can take 0 1, second time you can take 1 0, you can make first fellow 0, 3 repeats means we done. They are not gone for very deeply because obviously they are orthogonal. Here if you take what I told that story, it may fail, I think so. You can take. Doing or not simply sitting? Sir, tell me, sir, please, sir. I told you are a teacher and student today. See, what I am talking, you are understanding or not? Sir, what I said, you are understanding or not? Hello? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes,
Say
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I am telling you actually, x3 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1. Then x1 become what? 1. Both you can multiply and see. I am not telling. Correct or not? Suppose, case if I take, this is okay. 1, 0, 1, 1 eigenvector I got. To find x2, what I am telling, this fellow you can make 0, this fellow you can 1, this can 1. Then if you multiply, what will come? Tell me. 1 into 1. 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So, not allowed. Blindly, if I take collapse. But similarity transformation means I can attack. Suppose if I take this 0, 1, 1, 0 case means what? Whole thing collapse. Then what I will do? No, what you will do, tell me. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mati mantram. Manasi tantram. Are you there, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see my face?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy. Now what you will do, tell me. Okay. Now I will do. Like second eigenvector I will select as a ABC. Correct? Huh? That fellow will satisfy this equation or not? Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
one minus A plus B is equal to 0. But what I am telling, this x1, x2 product should be always 0 I am telling or not.
Yes, sir.
So next equation how I will get, tell me.
So we will product it with x1.
This fellow into this fellow, this fellow into this fellow, this fellow into this fellow, I have to get 0. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I will write, tell me.
So a plus c
One.
equals to 0.
Minus A, 0 into B, 0. 1 into C is equal to what? 0. So I can able to solve these two fellows now. A, B, C, I will get a old story. X1, X2, X3, I got it, no? Like this, you will get it or not? Tell me. You do and tell me. Just I will start the meeting and I will come. Okay, yeah. You know or not how to do. Just I will start the meeting. Sir, one thing, learn. Whatever, sir. Hey, you people do, sir. I will coming. Complete that problem. A, B, C, tell values. Complete, sir. I will come. What is ABC values then? Hello. On the host content, I will not tell you for the reason for now. In my hand. I made you host. Then I can leave, sir. Now. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Yes, tell me what values are getting ABC?
Our second equation is A
Sir?
plus B plus C, sir.
Second
Second
equation.
equation.
A plus C equals to
A.
0.
So A plus 0 plus C.
Second equation,
Mm.
Acha, right.
A
This
plus 0
A, I do want only for testing you how many of you sleeping like this. You have to tell correct. Okay. I will test you always. It's a printing mistake here, don't worry. Correct equation you can do and tell. Always I will test you as how many of you sleeping or not. Good. Ah! Tell me.
1, 2 minus 1.
Sir, 1, 2
Hey,
minus
1, 2 minus 1. No, yeah. Yes. X2 is what? Solving this two.
1, 2 minus 1.
Yes. Now you can
minus
check,
1.
multiply and check. 1 into 1, 0 into 0, then 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0 they are orthogonal pair. Happily I can proceed for the next. So next value is what? So I will write here. First eigenvalue is what? 1, 1. This is what? You can keep here. Okay, next problem you can try. What is next value? Next eigenvalue.
1, 1, 0.
Minus 1, 1, 1.
Next eigenvalue is what?
Lambda is equals to minus 2.
Very good. Who is Kaushik Ray only talking? Remaining people are not talking.
No,
That
sir. I
minus
am
2.
Anjali, sir.
Oh, sorry. Kaveri Anjali. Good. Sorry, sir. Now tell X3 value. Now only.
Minus 1, 1, 1.
Acha. Both are wise are same, similar. Now we can check pairwise, it's actually satisfying me, so okay, I can leave it. This is a good fellow. 3 are available. Now what you will do? You have to find normalized vector or not, normalized matrix. Third value is what, tell me? See, I told you in one order we can write. Now which order I am following? 1, 1, 2. So my diagonal values also stands. First fellow is 1. Say A22 is 1. A33 is minus 2. So that you should not forget it, because in what way you are started, diagonal position also same position you will get. Correct or not? Now prepare First eigenvalue is what? 101. Sorry. Normalized matrix. What you will get? 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square. That is 2. 1 take square root. 1 by root 2, 0 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Then second fellow is what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 1. So, how much will you get? 1 square plus 2? Huh?
Sir, root 6.
6. So, who will come? One by root 6, 2 by root 6, minus 1 by root 6. Third fellow, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. 3. 2, 3. So, this is normalized matrix. Once if you find normalized matrix, then what you will get? You have to diagonalization or not using orthogonal transformation. So, what you write formula is what? Some textbooks they will use normalized matrix n table, they will tell. Don't worry. See the textbook, don't confuse. If you want, you can use normalized matrix n. Transpose n2 you can take. Correct? So, then D is equal to P dash AT. Who is P dash?
Transpose.
Transpose. Second row you can write as a second column. Third row you can write as a third column. Who is A? A. A. Where is A?
Set top.
Ah, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, minus 1. 1, minus 1, 0. Then P, who is P? Who is P? Now multiply. First row, first column. And first row, second column, then you can take. Tell the value. Who will come? Then, but finally, what you want to tell me? I told you can remember who will come finally.
Eigenvalues, sir.
That's what cake you get.
Eigenvalues.
So that is
Along diagonal.
matrix is shape we can tell. Don't tell Bombastic language. Matrix you can tell me how it will appear. How you will get answer? Tell me how you will write if you multiply. What you will get? Diagonal matrix. Okay, I agree with you.
1 0 0.
Ah, that I want actually. Who will stand with you? That the answer I want.
0 1 0.
Ah,
0 0 minus 2.
yes. This I want. Correct or not? First multiplication, what you got? Tell me. Multiplied. Any one of you. In between, don't simplify. Finally, last you can simplify. All are doing. Try. If you don't get us, no problem. Just take an attempt. So finally, I will reach here. Still, my problem is not complete. What I want to do? What I want to do? What I want to do? Tell me.
Canonical form.
Very good. I want to write canonical form. Canonical form actually given a problem in terms of x is there. So I will take a new variable. Who will come there? Who is our friend now? Who will take? Now new variable, how you will select? Y you can select. So what you will get? Y1 square, Y2 square minus 2Y3. So canonical form, how you will write? Y that is equal to Y1, Y2, Y3.
Sir,
Yes.
small doubt. Sir, there you have taken normalized vector as p is equal to 1 by root 2 0 and 1 by root 2 like that, no, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, there we need to take vertically, no, sir. That 101 for that normalized form, we need to take vertically, no, sir.
Not like this. Nothing will happen. Whatever maybe.
P dash a p will be varying, no, sir. That time during the d is equal to p dash a p,
Acha.
the values will be varying, no, sir.
Yes. Maybe P is equal to vertically or take that I told you, no? Okay, P dash are written. Okay, that you can change and write, you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. That you can change. That's maybe can okay. P maybe vertically you can take first column first vector, second column second vector, third column third vector. Then P dash, AP, that's P dash. Check again. But this also will get okay. We see. Now, what you will get? What is the shape actually? This is the canonical form. If you want, you can try one problem. try one problem. Reduce quadratic form to canonical form using orthogonal transformation. Take question. Then form the matrix, find the eigenvalues. If you want, I will go eigenvalues. Check. Eigenvector is write this problem. Actually, P you can write as for eigenvectors, you can write in first column matrix. First column, first eigenvector, second column, second eigenvector, third column, third eigenvector. Then you can write P dash, you can take. Okay, good. Can you able to do this problem? Can you try? Already I sent you the PDF file. In that PDF file, what topics we have discussed, that under the topics problems you can try. The matrices, a lot of things are there. No need to follow all. What topics I am, the similarity transforms are there, not there actually, not there in our syllabus. So in matrix, what I given, just you can see what topics I am doing that problem, that type of problems you can try. Exercise sums also. If you don't get me, ask me, I will help you. So notes with you, full PDF, just you can try. Next. Available quadratic form is what finally the matrix should be stands with only diagonal elements. That is what eigenvalues. From this I can tell it takes signature and rank. So maybe you will get actually after assumption that minus x k x equal to only b1 x square, b2 x square, b3 so from this what you understand where D1, D2, D3, Dn is what? What elements are stands where 6 where it fits in. The position of D1, D2, D3, so on Dn is what, tell me? D1 will go on where it will sit actually that below. Place is where? D1 place. X1 square, X2 square, X3 square, Xn square. There is no X1, X2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Then we n like this. Only square terms only. So all elements should be present where?
Diagonal.
Hmm?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. Correct or not? So from this where D1, D2, D3, D4 are supposed to have like this. So index is called as number of positive terms. Number of positive terms. Index is one. Is index is what? Number of positive terms. They will be denoted by S actually. Here, what is S? Tell me. S is equal to what? What is S here in the matrix? Suppose one example given 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 3. What is it X? What is the value? How many positive numbers are there?
3.
3. Non-zero values, positive non-zero values are 3. Number of positive terms minus number of negative terms. That is called signature. Number of positive terms minus no. Yes.
Sir, your voice is not clearly audible.
So signature we can write number of positive terms minus number of negative terms. Our rank means what? How many number of terms if you see enough actually number of non-zero terms is called rank actually. Suppose if it is 0 means what? Rank is what then? What is what is the rank?
2.
2. Suppose this is minus 3. What is the index?
2.
2. Correct or not? Now signature is what is telling actually number of positive terms minus
1.
number of that is rank. Otherwise you can write 2s minus r also you can remember. Signature you can write 2s minus also correct formula. Just note down. Maybe one mark questions are very, very important. They may ask.
Sir, is there any symbol for signature?
Yes. No signature. No signature they are writing, no number, no symbol.
Okay, sir.
Rank is R.
Okay.
Right. Find the index and signature of the quadratic form. Take down. Find the index and signature of the quadratic form. think this problem I done very first class actually. Just you can see. I think same problem we done, I think so. What is the eigenvalues? Once if you know eigenvalues means what enough, you can able to tell signature and index and everything. Very first problem I explained, I think so, through system and the PDF I explained this problem. Anyone completed? Okay, try at least eigenvalues you can find out. After eigenvalues you can try. Quadratic form you have to find out anyway, but by seeing eigenvectors, eigenvalues you can decide. Quadratic form is what you can have to find orthonormal transformation, everything taken for granted we feel, that is P dash A P is equal to some shape. Then from there I will tell you. Yes, you can find eigenvalues at least from this. Repeatedly same type only we are doing. Eigenvalues and eigenvector and orthonormal transformation, then I will get eigenmatrix, then I will tell you. Next step is furtherly we are going. What are the eigenvalues at least tell me?
Sir, 2, 3 and 6, sir.
2, 3, 6. What is the matrices? Tell me first. What is matrices? First row?
3,
Huh?
3 minus 1,
Ah.
1.
1.
Similarly, just first row, if you fill in the same number, you can fill in first column. Then second 5. This is what?
-1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 means here minus 1. Enough. So no 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct? First row, what you written? First column you can write. Second row, what you written? Second column. Automatically you take this. No need to write position where it will come, where it will go like this. So what you got actually, this I have to do orthonormal transformation. Just I'm skipping. In examination, if I ask this, what you have to do actually. So you may get actually this is. That's already Excel use. Now what is index?
Number of positive terms.
Rank. How many non-zero numbers are there? 3. So rank also 3. Then signature. Like this you have to do. Next topic is I think we are stepping into last topic. After this unit completed. Do more problems. Actually, only 1 or 2 problems if I feel is that is enough. If you want practice, time is there. Just you can practice more problems. If you don't get, ask me. Next. Shalabha. So today what we discussed important topic is what in case of eigenvectors, as you like it don't take. Suppose if you choose x1 means what x2 such a way you can choose x1t into x2 is equal to 0 always. The pairwise orthogonal by doing the orthonormal transmission, you have to check they are pairwise orthogonal. Otherwise your problem will spoil. Then another thing is what one thing you can remember. P you can write as a column. First column you can write first eigenvector, second column you can write second eigenvector, third column you can write third eigenvector. Then P dash you can take transpose. The P is what nothing but normalized matrices. Normalized matrix. So P dash you can find P dash AP is you will get diagonalization once. Once if you get the diagonalization, you can write canonical form. 2, 3, 6 is the eigenvalues means what 2y1 square, 3y2 square, 6y3 square the canonical form. Then furtherly if they ask what is the signature and what is the index means what all values are positive in quadratic form, you can bring in the diagonal form. All are positive means you can say this index number of positive terms. Rank means what number of non-zero values. Then index is signature is what 2s minus r. Next is very important topic, nature of quadratic form. Note down. Let suppose this scene xtax. This is the quadratic form. You are writing the canonical form. See, after that you will get suppose 3 by 3 matrix means what in quadratic form, nature of the quadratic form. You are transformed to another quadratic form purely the real quadratic form. That is only homogeneous. There is no 1, 2, 3. Let's say square harmony. Once if you get suppose if 3 by 3 if you take matrix lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. 3 eigenvalues, the chances are there or not 3 by 3 means? Tell me, how many eigenvalues you get? So, nature of the quadratic form. Suppose if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is the 3 eigenvalues, or n by n means what? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is dot dash 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 lambda n or n eigenvalues. First is what? Positive definite. Positive definite means what? All eigenvalues are positive. So means what? All lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are positive. Means what? This nature of quadratic form is called positive definite. That is lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. All are positive. This time testing 3 by 3 only. Suppose 4 by 4 if you go highest and means what n by n also if you do research something means what You make it n by n matrix also. Matrix is very, very important in research field. Any equation, any that is what we can transform to matrices linear, you can transform and we can solve lot of things we can do using matrices. It's not a small subject. All eigenvalues are. Then next is what? Positive definite means what? All eigenvalues are positive. Negative definite. Sorry. So this is what? All eigenvalues are what? Tell me. Negative definite means what?
Negative. All of them values are negative.
All values are negative. Minus lambda 1, minus lambda 2, minus lambda 3, minus, minus, minus. Correct? You write fully. Don't write plus symbol. Negative you can write. Then you can take semi-positive definite. If you take semi-positive definite means what? At least one eigenvalue 0, remaining all are positive. Correct or not? Maybe their positive definite means what? All eigenvalues are presented. There is no 0. At least 1 0 remaining 2 positive means you can say semi-positive. Suppose 2 zeros, 1 is. All are cannot be 0. Don't ask actually. At least 1 is what? Positive value. So semi-positive means what? Positive semi-definite means what? At least one eigenvalue 0, remaining are positive. At least one eigenvalue 0, remain eigenvalues are positive. Next, what can you say? Tell me.
Semi-negative.
Semi?
Negative definite.
Very good. You people are very good here. Then same story. Tell me what you get. Actually, there are a lot of methods are there. Look at the matrix without finding eigenvectors and eigenvalues and eigenvectors and the canonical form. Looking at the matrix also I can tell how to find this very good problem. That is D1, D2, D3 they will decide. Next class we discuss actually. Up to this you can stop here today. Next class what I will do, looking at the matrix without expansion, without anything I'm doing, finding eigenvectors also I can do. That is also a very good topic. That will be quite updated. Suppose if they ask very big question, 12 marks, find the positive definition, see how to do everything, then finally you can tell. Suppose if 2 marks, 1 mark question means what, seeing the matrix also, I can able to tell. Some 2-3 calculations I will do. From there I will do positive definite or negative definite or semi-positive and semi-negative. Semi-negative you can write at least one eigenvalue 0, remain are negative. Then another fellow is, one fellow is there. What is that? Combination. Purely positive, purely negative, 0 and positive, 0 and negative. Another combination is there. Who is that? 192 present. Now only entered, sir. Next case is what?
All zero.
Positive and negative eigenvalue.
All zeros not actually. All zeros means what actually?
Combination of positive and negative eigenvalue.
What is his name? Can you tell from this?
Indefinite.
Very good. Who said? So, combination of positive negative is called what? Note down.
So, cannot
Sir,
see
the
the
board
board,
not
sir.
visible, sir.
What?
Could you
board
please
is not
write that?
visible.
Okay. No
We are not able to see the lower part of the board.
Okay. Obtain okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we can know what is there. Oh, no problem. Thank you. Indefinite means what? Both. Positive or negative terms. Very, very important nature of the quadratic form.
So,
Yes,
will indefinite also include 0?
but positive negative both will be 1 0, one is positive negative. Like this.
So like 1, 0 and -3. So it will be indefinite.
What tell me? Yes. One is
1, 0.
positive. 1 0 minus yes. Indefinite. That's why semi-positive means what? Remaining all are positive. That's why I'm telling. Remaining all are negative, semi-negative. Correct or not? I am not telling they're actually 0 and positive. 0 positive means what? Semi-positive. 0 and negative means what? Semi-negative. So all combination means what? Indefinite means what? As you said, actually 0, 0, 1 means what? Automatically it come to the semi-positive. 0 minus 1, 2 means what? Automatically come indefinite. As you said, 0, 0 minus 2 means what? Semi-negative. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing?
No, sir.
Yes. Indefinite means both positive. I think almost we wash out first is unit. Then I will next class there is no classroom, so maybe I will explain on there only notes I will explain. Discuss the nature of the quadratic form. Just you can take one problem. X square, y square, z square. Okay, no problem. Instead of 1, 1, 2, you get x, y, z is given. First unit completed, sir. So here what you will take actually, x means first position, y means second position, z means third position. So this is yz means what? 2, 3 and 3, 2. Zx means what? 3, 1, 1, 3. Xy means what? 1, 2, 2, 1. Don't confuse. Always they will use suffix only. Getting or not? Right
So
or
it is
not?
minus 10 ZX.
Minus, yeah.
Okay.
2 means I will write like this, z means I will write. Try to understand my writing. My writing only bad writing. I can't now. 1 or 2, after 3, 4 weeks you will get used, don't worry. What I am writing will understand. Only disadvantage is what? Writing only. I am not changing now. Z means I will write like this, 2 means I will write. Now from this understanding I am looking, this is what? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is what? This fellow y means what? Second question. 2, 3. This is what? 3, 1. This is 1, 2. Just you can frame the matrix. Just form the matrix. What is the matrix? Tell me. First row is what? 10 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 minus 5. Like this you can fill. 2. This is what 3 means what? This is also 3. This is what? 5 over. After doing all sort of things, finally I will get eigenvalues are what? You have to do canonical form, everything is you reach here. 0, 3. You have to do, sir. I'm skipping actually, depending on marks. But next class I will tell you how to attack. Without expansion, I can tell this is positive definite or negative definite or semi-positive or semi-negative or indefinite. That I will tell you. That one problem and if you complete this, enough, job is over. Now from this is what? Tell me. Nature of the quadratic form is what?
Semi-positive.
Semi-positive.
Okay, yeah. Now clear. Huh? Suppose, forget about this question. If I get this means it become what? Minus 3 if I get means what?
Indefinite.
Very good. Minus 3 minus 14 means?
Semi-negative.
Semi-negative.
Now clear. Somebody asks about 0. Let's go. Don't worry. So I will stop here. I will come there to my desktop. People, I think everyone joined. I will stop actually without resting. The in between also not taken. I will stop here. I will come there. Wait. Now new joiners, what 53 is there, 61, 66, 68, 73, 79, 83, 92, 94, 96.
83
sir.
90 to 12. 90 to 12. Sir.
When did you join? Huh?
Yes, sir.
92. You attended full class?
Sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. First 5 minutes I late, sir. At that
Problem,
attendance.
huh? You are from Andhra Pradesh, yeah? State problem, huh? 92,
Sir, 183. 183, sir.